Okay, time for the guessing game again. What standard do you think this is? You have an x minus 1 on one side. You get x minus 2 minus 1. You take the square root on both sides. What's this all about? What do you know about this one? Guys, you're too smart for me. Standard 38. Radical quadratic expressions. So that's what Mr. Yin and I will cover today. We're on this video.
Isolate that bit radical. So if you look at this radical, is there anything right here? Is there anything right here? So it's isolated. It's all by itself. Let's go ahead and square it. Rayvon, tell me what to write next. Square it. Bring it down.
Yeah, right now negative 36 plus 12 x equals x squared. 1 add 36, subtract 12.
12 what? Say the whole thing.
Yeah, 12x.
12x.
Oh, easy.
Let me go ahead and I just like putting the b value first, so it's convenient for me.
Keep going, or?
Tell me what to write.
Alright, so yeah, the 0 equals x squared minus 12x plus 36.
So I have a quadratic, the other side is 0. That's the thing to make sure. I have a quadratic, the other side is 0. Let's go over to the t-table. Two numbers multiplied together give you a positive 36. When you add those two numbers, you get a negative 12.
Oh, this is hard.
Now, 36 does have a lot of factors. Just for my own entertainment, give me some more factors of positive 36. 4 and 9, so negative 4 times negative 9.
This takes
1 and 18.
2 and 18, negative 2 times negative 18.
1 and 36.
1 and 36. 1 and 36, that's the giveaway, yep. In case the middle is a 37, always be careful of that. This is a trick. If the b value is 1 more than the c value, it's always going to be 1 times that number, or 1 less. So you know 1 plus 36 gives you 37. So if you ever see 37 right there, you know right away it has to be 1 times 36. No way two numbers could be added together and give you a huge number like 37. It can only be 1 times 36. Just something for you to keep in mind. Let's circle this. You got x minus 6, x minus 6. What's kind of funky about this one? What is my final answer? 6. But since you don't need to write it again, so it's just gonna have 1 answer. It won't have 2.
Can we still write 2 now?
You can write 2, but technically it would be redundant. It would be like in English if you wrote, "I went to the park."
So when it's actually you wrote 2, you'll still give us credit.
Well, I won't give you what?
You still give us like the same credit?
I'll give you the same credit, but I'll write a comment there.
Okay. I'm going to summarize what Mr. Yin said and do it my way. That way we have 2 ways to kind of understand how to do standard 38. And this is the problem that he gave you. Problem with my way is this pen doesn't write too well, so let me just give it my best shot. So the problem was this problem: negative 36 plus 12x minus x. Alright, first thing you need to do is square on both sides. So that's what we're going to do with this problem. You have this again. Just write it down. And we're going to square on both sides is an equal sign. Square here, square there. This gives rid of the square root. Okay. Okay, next thing we want to do, make equal to 0. So we need to move all this over and make it equal to 0. It'll all to one side. So we have 0, step 1, 2, 0 equals, okay, I think I need to explain something here, make it easier. We have this is your problem, negative 3628 equals x to the second. To make it equal to 0, we need to get everything on one side. So we're just going to move this over here. To do that, we need to do opposite operations. So you have positive 36 minus 12x. Same thing on this side, the positive 36 and negative 12x. So that would mean, now let me just do the whole thing out here, plus 36 minus 12x plus 36 minus 12x. So you have 0 equals x to the second plus 36 minus 12x. That's step 1 and 2. I'll widen the screen a little bit. Maybe I could get more out of this screen. Get step 3 in here. Of course, unless it disappears. There it is. This happens when I don't have my mouse. Okay, here we go. Alright, step 3. Use table multiplied equals 36 added equals 12. So you're going to use your table. What you're trying to find is the numbers that multiply give you 36, but that are added equals 12. So 3 table 12 36. We know the answer. These two numbers, when they're added, equal 12. When multiplied, equal 36. So there are the two numbers. The last step is something he didn't explain too well. So I'm going to go over that real quick. Step 4. Solve for x. Now we know when we break up the quadratic equation now, this is what we get. Now we have to solve for x. So we need to get x equals. To do that, we need to move the 6 back to the other side. So x, a little more space, a little more, plus 6, we need to get 6 over the other side of the equal sign, because this is what we have right now. X plus 6 equals 0, x plus 6 equals 0. Then we subtract on this side, subtract on that side to eliminate this and get x equal to -6. And that's our answer. As Mr. Yin explained, that just makes our answer. X equals -6. We don't need to use this, but whatever. X equals -6. And that's it.